The holy grail of Canadian donuts in cake form. Boston cream cake. 1 golden cake mix. You can follow those box directions to make that cake mix. However, I'm partial to elevating it. I've always been very keen on replacing vegetable oil with melted butter, but I've been doing that for so long, I don't remember what a cake is like with vegetable oil. So I'm actually going to use a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil today. The box requests 3 eggs, and we are going to add 4 eggs. There must be vanilla extract in here, and I'm going to add a teaspoon, but that's going to be measured with my heart. I will never add water to a cake mix, so I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. I like a stale donut as much as I like a dry cake. We want extra moisture. I'm just going to add a big dollop of sour cream. Mix well. The box suggests a 9 by 13 will take 26 to 31 minutes. There's a good chance it's going to take longer than that because I've added the additional egg and sour cream. However, I'm going to start watching that at 25 minutes because I don't want it over baked. That's going in at 350 degrees. In the meantime, 2 cups of milk and 1 pack of instant vanilla pudding mix. As per the box directions, we are going to whisk this together. I'm going to pop this in the fridge to set while my cake is baking. This cake has been out of the oven for 5 minutes-ish. I should perhaps wait another 5 to 10 minutes, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna get this vanilla pudding on top of the cake. I'm gonna let this cool here on the counter for a little bit longer, then I'm gonna pop it in the fridge to fully cool before we glaze this beautiful Boston cream cake. I'm using milk chocolate chips. If you are using semi-sweet chocolate chips, they melt much nicer than milk chocolate does. Milk chocolate needs a little help to thin out, so I'm gonna add a little tiny bit of coconut oil. In the microwave for approximately 90 seconds, but stop and stir after each 30-second increment. Approximately 1 1/4 cup of milk chocolate chips, and I'm gonna use 1 cup of heavy cream. You don't wanna add cold cream to the hot chocolate chips, so this is going in the microwave as well for 60 seconds, stopping after 30 seconds. I'm going to use the whisk attachment on my electric mixer and get this thickened up a little. It's not quite as thick as I would like it, but it's going to be fine. Look, my cakes are always less than perfect. The chocolate ganache is a little bit too thin, and where the cake rose in the center, you can see the pudding sticking up. It's going to taste just fine. I'm not about to pop this into the fridge and wait any longer. Since that chocolate is so thin, let's just drizzle a little more on here. I feel like the honey cruller and the chocolate dip are also both epic Canadian donuts, but the Boston cream is definitely my favorite. What's your favorite donut? Holy sweet baby shitballs. This is a hot mess and definitely one of my favorite cakes.